probably not a good idea to sit on the ground. Damn, I'm not worried about its trigger.
Ooh.
Oh, come here. Not you, look at Snipe. Oh, it's walking around. He's just jumping on stairs.
Showing off your skin anytime, anywhere. $12 value.
Exactly the same. So cute.
Order the Proactive 3-step system today.
The deep cleansing wash, it really exfoliates the skin. I use that on my arms, my legs.
Wolf's getting used to him. He's kind of scared of him at first, I think.
I think Drake's getting tired.
You're gonna get tired. He won't play until his legs are coming off. We have to drag him home from the dog park. He will be bloodshot red, tired, and won't leave.
He'll be dog tired, man, but he doesn't care.
He don't care. He loves
Did you see the videos of when we take him from the dog parks?
You
guys see those?
The video I saw was
Today's special offer.
Cherry playing with Bullet.
Yeah.
Or no, Snipe.
Not good.
No, you saw the picture with his head out the window. That one made me cry.
That's the only time he howls. That dog never makes that noise unless it's in the dog park or my mom's house because of Missy. He loves Missy.
That's all it takes for a guy in love.
Right.
Guarantee your skin clear or your money back.
Whoa.
So don't wait.
Junior sounds like a shrimp. Here, his jaws like chomping.
Chest and shoulders.
There she is. She's coming out.
She's a baby kangaroo.
To make this